How to rename Microsoft Bookings. In this video, I'll show you how to rename Microsoft Bookings. So to rename a Microsoft Booking calendar, you need to update the business name in the booking settings. So first, go ahead and head over into Bookings, and then in here, head over into the Shared Booking Pages section. Select a specific booking calendar that you want to rename, click on it, and that will take you here. Now, at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find this. So click on business information from here, and then go ahead and open basic details, and under that, you'll be able to find name. So this is the current business booking name of this specific booking page. So you can rename it by entering the new name here. So for example, I want this to be named as personal. Simply create that name here, and then you need to click on the save button at the top left to save the changes that you've made for the specific bookings page. Now, once you save this, you'll be able to find this new business booking page name at the left side of your screen. This change updates the name shown on your public booking page and in customer communications. And that is how you can basically rename Microsoft Bookings. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.